Hey, I have a question. Well, actually, it's not so much a question as more of a general wondering. Okay. Here goes. Well, for a while now, I've been wanting to, Yes. That's right. What?
Top of the world, looking down on creation and
All right, this is just Bactine. It won't hurt.
Ow. Sorry, that was wax.
Oh, this poor little Tutti is scared to death. We should find his owner.
Why don't we just put the poor little Tutti out in the hall?
During a blackout? She'll get trampled.
Yeah?
Oh, no, the melons. They hate all living things, right?
Oh.
Hi. We just found this cat, and we're looking for the owner.
Yeah, it's mine.
Really? He seems to hate you. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's my cat. Give me my cat.
Now, wait a minute. What's his name?
Bob Buttons.
Bob Buttons?
Uh-huh. Bob Buttons. Here, Bob Buttons.
You are a very bad man.
You owe me a cat.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Where'd you go, little kitty, kitty, kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi.
Buonasera.
Come on, lucky sixes.
Everybody, this is Paolo. Paolo, I want you to meet my friends. This is Monica. Hi. And Joey. Hi. And Ross. Hi.
Ragazzi, sono appena arrivato, vivo al piano di sotto, quindi ci vedremo molto spesso, penso.
He doesn't speak much English.
Monopoli!
Look at that!
So, where did Paolo come from?
Oh, Italy, I think.
No, I mean tonight, in the building. Suddenly into our lives.
Well, that cat, the cat turned out to be Paolo's cat. Isn't that funny? Not funny because his cat.
That is funny, and Rachel keeps touching him.
I looked all over the building, and I couldn't find the kitty anywhere. Oh, I found him. It was Paolo's cat. Ah, well, there you go. Last to know again. And I'm guessing, since nobody told me, this is Paolo. Oh, Paolo. This is Phoebe. Hi.
Phoebe, anche tu bellissima. Se siete tutte così belle, mi trasferisco proprio qui.
You betcha.